Hey everybody, 1:14:25 seconds, June 6th is the drawing for the Luke Cage 4.5 copy. Sorry for the delay in getting this set up. It's just been a really busy day. It was closed, maybe about 10-15 minutes ago, but I got yet another work call. So I don't know if I'm going to have any time to do anything else today. So this is most likely going to be the only one. Those are the 19 filled spots. Let's quickly roll our 3 dice. Number is only 4. Going to randomize 4 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get the slab. If I have time, which is doubtful, I'll try to pass by the post office this afternoon. Worst case, Friday. Tomorrow. Okay? That's 1, 2, 3, and here comes the final one. 4, spot 7, Mike Heisenberg. Congratulations. Time is 1:15:24.